create your own custom GPT, build an assistant that works like you for you. By now, you know how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Now let's take it to the deeper level, as I mentioned before. Let's build your own version. A custom GPT is like cloning your brain for specific tasks, writing emails, planning content, answering Q&As, right? Once you create one, you will never start from zero again. And that's the purpose of a GPT. First, let's know what is a custom GPT. It's a specialized version of ChatGPT you design yourself, follows your tone, rules, and processes, can remember examples, files, and instructions, and then acts as a dedicated assistant for a single purpose. So you want to think about it, think about custom GPT as a focused teammate. Instead of opening ChatGPT and explaining your business every time, you preload all the information at once. Like all that information you need for a specific task, you load it to the system at once. From then, it thinks in your language. Everything you feed it start to think based on it. When to use a custom GPT? When you have like repeating the same prompts often, needing consistent tone or structure, creating templates for your clients or team, building mini systems like content writer, copy editor, coaching assistant. So if you find yourself copying and pasting the same prompt daily, that's your sign to create a custom GPT, right? So turn that into a custom GPT and free up your brain for creative work. Now the question, how to create one. I'll show you, I'll read these steps, then I'll go and do a demo, right? Click Explore GPTs and then create. Give it a name and a description. Add your instruction and examples, example prompt. And optionally, you can upload files, a brand voice guide, templates, client resource, then you publish privately to share with others. So I'm going to share my screen and go step by step. And believe me, you don't need any coding here. It's all guided. All right. It's the same screen, but the color now is dark. So I'm gonna zoom here to show you about GPT, right? So if you have GPT like this, you can expand the menu and press on Explore. And once you press Explore, you can simply go to the top right corner and press Create. All right. Once you press Create, you will see the first thing, the configuration here. It's open. Name your GPT, give it a name. What is it about? Description is short description about what this GPT does, not the instruction, just a description. Then the instruction here. What does this GPT do? How does it behave? What would it avoid doing? Right? So you want to tell it exactly. And here, I believe there's a limited number of characters that you can type. So if this happened, if your GPT is got a lot of instruction, you want to upload a file here where it said knowledge. Conversation with your GPT can potentially reveal part of all the files uploaded. So you can upload files here and everything in the conversation start to get information from the files. All right. The other option here, one second, recommended model. recommend a model to the user, which could be used by default for the best results. So I recommend you just leave it as is, unless if you want to be more specific which ChatGPT model you want to have. If you want something really fast, go with ChatGPT 5 Instant, ChatGPT 5 Thinking to better results, and the latest now are these. So I leave it on automatic. Then what's the capabilities of the GPT? You wanted the GPT also to do web search, or no, stay internal with the documents you have? Or Canvas here, use Canvas, image generation, then interpreter and data analysis. This is more advanced. You don't need it for now, right? So let's have something here. If I want to give instruction for a GPT, first I want you to open this at your end. So follow these steps. I'll give you 2 minutes while I'll have something for you to see how that GPT work.
Rami, what if I don't see Explore on my sidebar?
What you don't see what? Explore?
Mm-hmm.
Which browser you're using?
Let me see. I think I am in. Good
You have
question.
Windows or Mac?
I'm a window. I mean Mac. Sorry.
Mac. Okay, Mac. Are you using Safari or using Chrome?
Chrome.
Chrome. Okay, in Chrome, I'll open it here and show you live.
I do have paid ChatGPT.
Okay. Yeah, you should have it. So let me share my screen and you can follow the instruction. Just logging into Chrome. Oh, so it's not allowing me to do double login for some reason. Let me show you again how to see it, where to see it. Can you see the new chat, search chat, library, archive chat on the top,
We
on the
cannot see
left?
your screen. We cannot see your screen, Rami.
Are you sharing screen or
No,
Yeah.
on your screen, on your
on my
screen.
screen? Yes, I understood that. So on the sidebar, I see new chat, search chat, library, codex, atlas, GPTs, and then project.
Okay, GPT, expanded GPT. You see GPT?
Yeah.
Now I'm sharing. Expanded GPT, press on it. It will expand to a sub-menu. The first thing you will see, explore.
Okay, so when I click on that, let me go back to that. When I click on that, it just opens up a page that has that had the feature.
Yes. After that, you go on the right, top right menu, and here, and there's a plus, create.
Got it. Okay.
So I'm in with her as well. I already hit create, and then when we have create, it brings me to a white background page, and it's telling me, "Hi, I will help you build a new GPT." But where do I put the name if I want to give it a name and a
I'll show
description?
you an example. Yeah,
Oh, okay,
I'm preparing the
okay,
example for you.
okay, awesome.
So let's do this example, content creation assistant. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you here. 1 second. My GPT. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing the screen again. And here I really want you to focus to see what you can fill inside. All right. Okay, as I was saying, in configuration, you give it a name, okay? Like this one, this is for demo. I named it Content Mastery Assistant, right?
But okay, wait. I
Description.
don't see that page. That's the pro. Oh, okay. Sorry, I saw it. So basically, when you are in create, you have two buttons, create and configure. So now I am with you. I am on configure. Yeah, see, I
Yes,
was on create. Okay, perfect.
no
Thank you.
problem. You're welcome.
Okay.
So under configure again, name of the GPT, then the description. So mine is transform any content into multiple warm, simple formats in Rami's tone. So it knows exactly. Then instruction, I give it instruction how to work, right? I'll give you this just a sample here. You are a content mastery assistant for Rami Raidan. You transform any raw material, emails, transcripts, notes, ideas, scripts, pages into multiple format of clear, warm educational content, and so on. I'll give it a lot of instructions, right? And if you
Mhm.
see here, conversation starter. So what does that mean? If you look here on the right, this is a preview of the custom GPT. So when I open it, it will give me here, repurpose this into 3 reels, or turn this long idea into micro content, or create a nurture email from this, or give me a multiple angles for this message. So these are conversation starter. I can customize them here, customize it here. All right. After that, I can upload a file here, and then I go through the setting as I covered. Once you're done, you do create, and it will create it. Okay. And once it's ready, you can simply access it again. You can press here, view. It will view it. So now this is ready. This GPT ready, and I'll give it a prompt right now, and you will see how it will work. I will say, let's delete this. So I'm gonna say to this custom GPT, create 3 real scripts, 3 captions, and suggested hashtags based on this email. For example, I have an email and I want to extract more content from this email. It's a good email that I send it to my email list, and I see a lot of value in it, and I want to have 3 real scripts from it, 3 captions, and suggested hashtags based on it. So I'll paste the email here and press enter. So what do I get? Real script number 1. Okay. It gave me a hook, body, and the close because this is how I train it. Real script 2, number 2, and real script number 3. What else? Caption. Number 1, this is for a regular post. 2, 3, then the suggested hashtags I can use. And it will also ask me if you want, because I trained the GPT to keep asking me questions if I want to create also other stuff from it, like shorter hooks, more angles, mindset, strategy, storytelling, maybe platform specific version, something for Instagram, the same one for TikTok or LinkedIn, right? So this is how Custom GPT works. I don't want you to think about it in a complicated way. Well, think about it in a very simple way. We give ChatGPT instruction, okay, with Custom GPT to generate specific content. Any question before I go to the next step?
Yeah, I just wanna, can you just go 2 steps before when we were entering all the data, when we were creating the GPT, and then
Okay.
you said, then we go here, and then you say something about preview or something before you
Yeah,
enter. Yeah,
I'll do another demo here.
okay, thanks.
So again, create.
Mhm.
So I go to explore, then press on create, and in create, in the same the first one you get configuration. The first thing you get configuration. You put the name, the description about it, then the instruction. You don't need to fill the conversation starter or anything else. Just focus on this now. And after you finish this, you press create. It will give you a prompt. This is ready for you. View it. You view it and it's in your library. I'll show you where is it going to be in your library.
So how many configurations we can make? As many as we want, right?
As many
Many
as
as
you
we
want.
want. So
Yeah,
is
I'll
this,
show you. Yeah,
yeah,
go
is
ahead.
this almost like a cloning then, Rami?
This is how you're customizing ChatGPT for projects you have
Yeah.
to help
And
you
we're
and
cloning, kind of cloning in the sense of, because they know, he knows or she knows, whatever, it knows our tone of voice, then we don't have to start from scratch. We're just, right, saving the time.
100%.
Yeah, got
100%.
it. Got it. Not cloning as the image of yourself, but cloning as your cerebro, as your mind,
Yes,
as the brain,
100%
as the brain.
as a brain.
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
You're welcome. Gabby, you're asking, can I do it in from the phone? You can explore GPT from the phone, but to create, I don't believe you can access what you create. But to create, I believe it's gonna be from the computer, from the desktop version. All right, so let's go to the next step. So structure your instructions. Use this framework. Purpose, what does this GPT do? Okay, just know exactly. Ask yourself, what does this GPT do? Audience, who it serves. Tone, how should it sound? Then rules, what to do, not to do. And examples, provide good outputs. Okay, so this is clearly you are here that the stronger your custom GPT becomes, it's better for you, right? The more clear you are, the better the results comes with the custom GPT. That's why you can upload files. For example, my content assistant for coaches, the one I showed you, knows to keep posts under 150 words, include emojis, and end with a soft CTA. I gave it this instruction. So I wrote those rules once. Now it follows them forever. So be more specific what to do and not to do. Uh, this is like mine. I showed you mine. The name was Content Mastery Assistant. Purpose, help coaches create and repurpose weekly content. Tone, warm, real, educational. Files, voice guide, plus brand pillars PDF. So I have a brand pillars PDF, a voice guide on files, and I uploaded there. Example prompt, create 3 reel script based on this week's email. Okay, so this is what I showed you in real example, and I really want you to do it yourself. Melissa, I didn't find GPT at my end. We'll go more into this in the Q&A. I'll check which one you have, which browser you have. Now, integrating ChatGPT with your tools. And this is really important to know that ChatGPT plus Canva generate design text fast. ChatGPT plus Notion. If you use Notion, I'm not sure if everyone here use Notion, but build a content bank. ChatGPT plus Make or Zapier, automate emails or posts. This is more advanced setup. Make is and Zapier for automation. You can set up automation map to run things daily for you without touching anything. Then ChatGPT plus Google Drive, Sheet, summaries, and reports. So once you build a few custom GPTs, you can connect them with your favorite tools. For example, you can have ChatGPT or a custom GPT draft content that flows automatically into your Notion calendar or Gmail drafts. So that's when it starts feels like a real team. You have a team working for you. I'll show you an example here. Okay. I'll show you a real example. So I showed you about how we create a mini GPT, right? Let's do this. We create another one if you want to start with me here. Okay. So let's build one for email nurture. We'll make a quick email nurture assistant. I'll fill in a few lines and hit create and show you how to instantly like start writing in that style that I give it. Okay. Share the screen again. So the name of this gonna be Email Nurture Assistant.
Before you start, can we, for example, I have right now the first one that I have not finished because I want to put some thought. Then I can, there's no way I can save this, but I can start again with a create and it doesn't distract the first thing I was trying to finish, which I'm not finishing right now. Can you
So
create
what do
like
you want me to do?
like, no, I mean, can you create like a folder of a how do you say this? Like creating folders and subfolders? Is that the way to say it? So the first one that I'm creating with the name, I'm just trying to finish the description or the instruction, but I'm
You
not going, yeah, I'm not gonna do it right now. Can I create something else without interrupting the first thing I was doing?
yeah,
Or I have to go
yeah.
through the whole process, finish that, and start another one? I
No,
guess
you,
question.
you can start a new tab and a
Okay.
new GPT.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no problem with that.
Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank
Okay?
you. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, so here, the first thing I said, the name of the GPT, Email Nurture Assistant. Okay. The goal of this description, let's say, write warm follow-up for a new subscriber. Okay. So this is all about email nurture. Then we can start giving instruction. How to give this instruction? I want to give it simple instruction, and you can just use your own, right, based on what you want it to do. So
Rami, I'm sorry. Is it okay for you to change the background because it's harder to see it when it's black?
good one. Let's go to Apple setting and change because when it turned the at night it switched automatically. So let me just change this quickly. Display and have it more into Oh, actually, it's automatic. Let me see. Maybe ChatGPT setting. Let me stop sharing to take effect. 1 second. All right. Now it's like.
Okay, I have a quick question. Let's say that we're creating this one and then suddenly we want to improve it. Can we go back and change things or once set
Yeah.
up? Yeah, okay, perfect. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. We can always improve it. So
Okay, thank
more
you.
important, I want you to focus on the instruction now I'm gonna give it.
Okay,
So I want to give it the purpose, as I said, right? What you do, tone and voice, rules. Okay, so I'll show you simple example here, and the primary task for it. So copy. I have it ready. So this is the instruction I'm gonna paste. If you read from here, the purpose. So I'm telling ChatGPT, this is the purpose. You are an assistant that helps coaches and entrepreneurs write warm, friendly nurture email for new subscribers. Your job is to create emails that build trust, provide value, and help readers feel supported and understood. What you do, write short, simple conversational email, then make the tone friendly, educational, supportive, keep paragraph short, always include a gentle call to action. And you see here a gentle call to action, not a direct one. Offer helpful insight, tips, and so on, right? Rules, no long complex paragraphs. Keep emails 150 to 250 words. Always write like the coach is speaking directly to the audience. Maintain emotional warmth and connection, and so on. So I put my rules here. Okay. Once I'm done, so this is ready. I don't need to upload anything right now and use this. Keep no recommended model. User will use any model they prefer. After that, I go here and press create. When I press create, it will ask me, do you want to share ChatGPT with anyone or only me? Or you want to have it also on the GPT store where you saw the other GPTs. So for now, anyone with the link, maybe I want to share it with my employees so I can do this. Only me, it's only me, no one can access it. So save. And then view GPT. So this is the GPT ready. So it's under email nurture assistant, the same name I give it. Write warm follow-ups for new subscriber. If I want to try this. Oh, 1 second. Can you see the other screen or no? No? Okay.
which one? The one of the directions?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, the create a mini ChatGPT together, name, email, that one, tone friendly, that one.
Let me see here.
Add example prompt and save.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you see this one, right? Email
yeah.
nurture assistant. Great. So if I want to try it right now, I'll give it this prompt. Write a welcome email for new subscriber introducing who I am and how I help. So it gave me the subject, welcome to the community for new subscriber. Hi there, I'm so glad you're here. Truly, I am my name, right? and I help coaches and entrepreneur grow with more clarity, confidence, and ease. Around here, you will get simple guidance, real support, and encouragement. So it gave me what I want in one click. Let's say I want another prompt. Create a warm, friendly email teaching one simple mindset shift about staying consistent. So this custom GPT is all about email writing. Okay? Again, hi there. I want to share a simple mindset shift that can make consistency feel a whole lot easier. Instead of thinking I need to stay consistent, try asking what's the smallest step I can take today, and so on. Did you get the idea of the GPT, the custom GPT? Great. Perfect. So let's go back to the other screen. And I don't want to go over time. I plan to have 2 hours for this workshop, and I want to have a Q&A so you can ask me. Again, best practice, name clearly, like funnel copy assistant, email assistant, name it clearly, and don't do test one, test two, test three, right? Be more clear on the name. Add sample prompts for consistency. Keep client data private. And this is here, if you have custom GPT for your clients, you want to keep it private. Don't do it public. So only me, no sensitive uploads. Update your instructions as your brand evolves. So this is the question for the instruction. You can always update the instruction in custom GPT. Okay.
I have a
So
quick question.
yeah, let's wait for the questions. Can you
Okay.
please wait? This is
Yes,
the
yes.
last slide here. So wrap up and next step. You uh you now know how to build and personalize ChatGPT. Custom GPT equal your own AI team. Integrate to save time plus scale impact. Next, book your free tech clarity session with me if you need more help. This is for attendees only, a value $300, just a session just to go deeper on that. So now you can do what most people never do, designing AI that actually works for you, right? Again, start with one custom GPT this week, maybe a content assistant or a client resource creator, right? And don't forget in your tech literacy session, if you book it, we'll map how to connect it to your business system and take this to the next level.